Hi all, middle of January, bloody freezing in my workshop. Just got the frame back for my CRM 250 from the powder coaters. All stripped down. Most of the parts I've revamped, given a little bit of paint, bit of a rub down, bit of a polish. And I'm going to take you through the process of me rebuilding the bike. And here is the frame, powder coated. Box of bits, it's basically the bike. So there's the frame from the powder coaters, just pick that up. There's the wheels, there's the seat, swing arm, other bits and bobs, exhaust. And that's pretty much the bike. It's amazing what it gets down to, you know, just a few parts and that's it. So yeah, this is the frame back from the powder coaters. Let's open it up. So, got Christmas. Unwrap it. See what we got. Good. Looking very, very nice. I do like that. Very good quality. That's the main frame. And subframe. I won't open that yet. I'm not ready for it, so let's keep that wrapped so it don't get damaged. Now I'm going to set up a place for it to go on. Got a ramp there, so I can use that. So I've got to put these clips back on the bike. They clip onto the frame to hold the cables. That's obviously for the petrol tank. Yeah, they're just cable clips, but lucky I took some pictures. Can't remember for the life of me where they go. Goes there. So lucky I took some photos because I'm not sure I'd remember. Right, I've put on the little clips to hold the cables and the tank rubbers. There's clips all over this thing. Luckily enough I took some photos because I couldn't remember where they were. I've had to look on my phone to find them. So yeah, they're in place, ready to go. Copperies on the thread, so hopefully it won't get stuck in there in the future. Running the right off. I'm having to tap out the bolts because they've got powder coating in them. I just had a little bit of thought, pain in the arse using that system, so just because I can't get to anything, so I thought I'd just release it. There we go. A bit quicker. Better. Right, so I am making the bollocks of it. So I am making, oh fuck me, CRM 250 IR rebuild, revamp, making good, I don't know. Just some videos of me being a twat.